Hi, welcome back to FBTV Entertainment, and it has been a long time doing a video, and this one is a model kit 1/4 scale by ICM, and this one is Model T 1913 Speedster. It is very much like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, a musical film, and I'll probably build more of these cars very soon. I just need more time, and that I got a huge backlog at the moment of videos, but hopefully you enjoy this one, and it's quite nice what I've done with this model kit. And here it is, Model T 1913 Speedster. It is a easy model kit to build and assembled, but a few things are a bit quite delicate, especially on the steering wheel. It's very hard to glue the handles and etc. But yeah, so you're probably wondering why I got Santa Claus on it. I bought this from a train set 2 years ago on Christmas, in Christmas time, and it's made of rubber. I didn't glue him in for brown seats because I'm going to put it back into a Christmas train set and pack it away in its box. It's made of rubber, and I thought it'd be quite nice to make a motor car for Christmas, and that. So we're going to go around the car and show you guys about it. So we're going to start out the front of this motor car, as always, and there's a lovely Ford logo on the grille. I painted it brown, and that, and nice handle starter to start up the motor there, and that. Nice silver lamps, and I painted yellow lenses to make it more desirable. Nice little badge or logo there where my finger is. So we're going to go down this side first, and this is a hood of engine, and it was very hard to disassemble this bit because of this silver line. You can see it's sunk into the engine itself, but it looks alright, but it's quite fiddly. This is my first time building a ICM model kit 1/4 scale. The wheels of this car is absolutely perfect. The white tyre is white and it's rubber, and it's very hard to glue on the wheel itself, this bit, the brown. And I've done a lovely detail on the red with the rivets or bolts, what you use in those days, and lovely green tip there. I've got some more headlamps or something like that, and that's, so yeah. And there's a lovely brake stick, or a clutch you should say. It's nice and yellow, and there's Santa Claus waving, and this thing, this yellow cylinder, I don't know what it is. If you guys know what it is, please let me know in the comments down below. The steering wheel is very hard to disassemble and glue into place. You can see a little gap there, right there. You can see a little gap on the steering wheel where the handlebars, when you turn the wheel around, it's very hard to glue, but it's okay. So behind Santa Claus there's a fuel tank there, and I've done it nice and red and green, and also the silver logo Ford. So the back of the car is a nice spare wheel. You can disassemble on there and glue it, but you don't have to have a spare wheel, but I'll put it on there anyway. and there's a lovely tail light there, nice and silver, metal or chrome, what you should say. I painted it silver, and behind that is a fuel tank once again, and also a trunk or box what you put luggage or suitcase or even shopping. So yeah. So for last least is a chairs. They're nice and brown and leather. You see lovely details on there, little lines what I've done, and it suits the car really, because this is a really old car from 1913, and that. But the chairs are quite nice. I'm quite happy. I got a little grey dot there. What I didn't painted it properly, and even Santa Claus is happy. He's waving to the boys and girls, or waving to his elves. For colour scheme, I done it nice and red gloss and lime green, because Christmas time the two famous colours are green and red, and that about do for wheels green and red, but I done it nice and brown to match the chairs what Santa Claus is sitting on. But I'm going to build another motor car like this from ICM models kits, 1:4 scale, into a different colour and normal daily theme. So this is not going to be my collection of my model car kits on FB TV Entertainment. It will, but it will be a different colour and different style in 1913, back in those days. But I enjoyed it. I just thought of it because I know you can buy decorations of Santa Claus in the sleigh or in the train, but I'd be quite nice into a model car, and it is a model car kit 1:4 scale by ICM. But it's quite nice. I enjoyed it, building it, painted it, play Christmas music while I'm building it and painting it up. So yeah, I'm looking forward to build another Christmas motor car next year, 2021. So, but yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. I like to share this car for you guys to give you an idea if you are interested in building model car kits 1:4 scale or any scale. It's quite a nice idea. So no further ado. So you have a holly jolly Christmas, and see you really soon on FB TV Entertainment. And I do believe next year is going to have a few more changes onto my channel. So until then, you take care of yourself, stay safe, see you soon, take care, and also Merry Christmas.